trying to debug my Obsidian. So if you check here, I'm just gonna close all my extra tabs, but basically Command Shift I, Command Option I, and so you can see that I'm trying to divide and conquer plugin, and what I'm doing is first you go with disable all plugins, and then it'll reload everything. And if you check, it's sort of like in safe mode where you can type and the links work just fine. But if I enable half the plugins, which is now going to cause a bit of bug, so I'm going to press Command Shift I, and we will see like what is enabled. And then now I can check, does links work? It does work. It's a little bit slower than just now, but it still works. It's not as bad as it could be. So now I'm going to try enable half of disabled plugins. And that's going to tell me all the things that it's loading here. And if I do a count now, first I'm going to check, does this still work? Yeah, it does. So this is fine. And p count enabled. I have 62 enabled, so there's only 20 left that could be the culprit. I just wish there was like a way to mark that these are okay. So like, let's just go check advanced tables, unused images. Let's see, Omni search. So periodic notes, I think so. Persistent graph, quick add, random structural diary, recent files. Okay, so I'm going to try. Is there a way to make a list of all the files that I currently have? So list, Obsidian list, enabled plugins. Is there a way to list enabled plugins? No. Debug. Okay, let's see if I can. I want to do a list of any. Okay, no. I'm just gonna have to wing it. I don't know, because the problem with this is that can I disable the exact half that I just enabled? Divide, conquer. Yeah, so I'm going to toggle all plugins. And that means that it's going to switch from like the ones that were enabled to disabled, and the ones that were disabled to enabled. And okay, so still no bug. It's a bit weird because if I just toggle, wait, did I just toggle snippets? Yep, I think so. Count plugins. Yep. So toggle. Let's go light mode first. Please toggle plugins. So yeah, I'm gonna toggle plugins now, and this should give me the problematic plugins. Okay. Are these the 20 plugins that I just have now? Yes, I think so. So let's try. Yeah, I have issues with creating links now. So enable every half till toggle. So that's the thing. This is all the possible plugins that could be giving me issues. Just gonna write that here. Issues. Then toggle now should have bug and try to slowly disable half. Okay, disable half of enable plugins. Oh wait, I thought I toggled it. 31 of 60. That's not how it's supposed to go. Okay, so now there's no bugs. What did I'm confused. P divide and conquer count, enable and disabled. So I disabled 51 and I enabled 31. So let me toggle my plugins. So toggle all plugins. Yeah, this is the one that. So it didn't unload Zoom, but I'm sure once it reloads, everything will be fine. Okay, now that I'm toggling it, it should work, right? Oh my god, this is so confusing. So issues, I wish there was a way to mark like what is safe. But yeah, so now I'm gonna check, do I have bug? Yes, I do have bug, right? A little bug. Yes, have bug. Okay, so I'm gonna count again. P count, enable and disable. I've disabled 31 and I've enabled 51, which is weird because divide and conquer. Okay, I'm gonna disable half of my. What am I trying to do? I'm trying to reduce the number until I get like the bug inside a small number of plugins. So if I disable half, then I should only have 20 something and it should give me a pretty good, I don't know. Okay, I don't have the bug anymore. So now it's definitely in the plugins that I just disabled, right? So if I count enabled and disabled plugin, I've disabled 57 and enabled 25. So yay. P enable half of plugins. I'm just gonna do this till I get Obsidian 13.11. Do I have Obsidian 13.11? About. Oh, I guess that's fine. I mean, I just downloaded a new version, so it shouldn't be a problem. Okay, so yes, now do I have bug? Yeah, there's a bug. Okay. So now that I have the bug, I can check what is possibly giving me the issues, I guess. Plist. The problem is that divide and conquer doesn't really give me that, but okay, fine. I have enabled 54 plugins and I'm not sure which one of them. This is terrible. Like I just want to disable half of enabled plugins. Hopefully it'll keep the one that's buggy. I don't know, like am I just supposed to just okay, so it works now, and I guess that means that it always enables the same half. Doesn't make sense though, because if you look at it, it seems to just randomly and okay, so I don't care. I'm just going to slowly. Doesn't make sense. How do I fix this problem? Like this plugin would be amazing if I could just mark and unmark plugins. Plugin. Okay, hi. Yes, but I need to put everything into some, like, I don't understand. Okay, so is that the problem? Typo, whatever. I'm bisect. Plugin change logs. Nope. List of plugins. Okay. I don't understand. Let's just create. Okay. Either a way to print currently plug in this or mark plugins safe because you don't know which plugin you enabled is the buggy plugin. I can have delist. I can disable all, enable half, and no bug. Then we want to mark save plugin. Continue on as not continue on to half. Check if bug not potential issues and only enable those then narrow down like and switching between those. Okay, so since I can't do that, I gotta manually do this, and now I know that issues, like this is fine. So p count enabled and disabled plugins, disabled 57, enabled 27. So this 27 is okay. P toggle plugins. So there's something weird, like if I count enable, this is disabled 55, enabled 27. So if I toggle plugins, this should switch it to enabled. Okay, waiting for everything to finish loading. It should be done. And hi. Oh, this is still working. So wait, count. It's still the same. They haven't really done anything, right? I don't know. so I can, this is fine. There's only 27 that's disabled, and I should just check a list of which plugins are disabled. How do they, can I go to the folder and like, okay, I'm gonna go to System Explorer, and then I'm going to check my .obsidian. Command shift dot to get to .obsidian, and then I'm gonna check like my plugins. How do I check if it's enabled or disabled? I can't. Date modified. You know what? I'm just gonna have to manually do this. Can we plugins? Okay, let's do flashcards, and then we can slowly test. Hi. Okay, it's not flashcards, and admonition, advanced URI. Hi. Okay, no, that's not it. Okay. So how many plugins do I have disabled? Not a lot, just a few. So let's try multi-column markdown and my snippets. So hi. Yep, that's fine. And daily activity, daily stats, dangling links. Hi. Okay. Cross-reference and data view. Oh wait, I think it might be one of these. Okay, it's definitely one of these. Just double checking that it's not the loading. It might have been data view loading. But okay, yeah, it's definitely these plugins. So data view and cross-reference. Okay, that's great. Well, it's not great, as in like, I hope it's not data view, but oh god. So, gonna open this. Oh god. Okay. So let's disable cross-reference navigation and double check whether or not it's the bug causer. Oh no, I think it might be data view. That is gonna be an issue. A lot of my vote depends on data view. Okay. Is it that my data view is not updated because it says it requires Obsidian? Okay, anyways, now that I know the problem, I'm going to go close everything. Just double check that it is actually data view. So yeah, data view is the cause of the bug. Okay. Enable all plugins, and then I'll just disable data view, and we'll see if it works fine. If not, then there's more than one plugin causing the bug. Okay, so it's loading everything, and I'm gonna turn off data view. Yep, everything works. Okay, so enable half and slowly switch on the plugins. So issues,